Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So today we're going to be looking at the Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition. That is a little bit of a mouthful to say, but it is the last of the bigger brake horsepower V2, so yeah, let's crack on with the video.
Fancy.
What you got? Tray, what are you doing?
I'm putting these on it. 2.
Un. Dos.
And Gus's cup. He said he ain't got a cup. Well, it looks better, don't it?
He looks a bit angry today, to be fair. He said he was cold.
Yeah, he had a cold nose. Give him his cup. Everyone's got a cup now.
There you go, buddy.
Thanks, mate.
Alright, that one's for you.
That's your winter cup.
No, I appreciate that. That's actually really nice.
That's for you.
Do I hold his nose right there?
I want to see whether it just spills everywhere when you drink it.
I'm going to burn my lips doing
You
that.
should have got him a straw. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at parts for my car.
Oh yeah? What parts you getting?
Whatever's available. Oi! Well,
Can you see anything now?
not now, blinded.
We're probably not going to get my roll, so should we just...
Let's go and do
you want
that.
to get it done?
See?
Oh, you think that's funny, do you?
Yeah, you thought it was
I've got
funny.
damaged retinas, you know.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm going to make a formal complaint.
Like a damaged rectum.
Where you going?
We're going to go and unbox a new bike. What are you doing? Out or in?
In. Do it in.
In.
Look at the energy he's got.
You know it's 20 past 2, didn't you?
Oh, he's had a kip already.
Right, if you're going to put it in, but put it backwards.
There's always a condition, isn't there?
There's got to be a condition.
I might as well do all that then.
Can you... How are you getting on with that bike, alright? Have you used it?
Look at the face. He's not even showing, he's straining.
Let's do it inside, shall we?
Yeah.
Can you get it inside?
I normally get it inside.
Do ya?
There's sometimes some resistance.
You don't even know what bike this is, do you?
Go around the other side, Bob. You're going to go front out.
Or front in? Have front in.
Front to be
I
facing
don't know.
towards the...
What do you want?
Yeah,
to
we've
do?
got enough. Good front in.
Spin it.
Go on in, windmill. Man, the V's like Chinook going past, wasn't he, if he spun that round?
Yeah. Come on.
Cold out here, isn't it?
On my car.
Yeah, we're nowhere near your car. So turn it round then,
No,
or turn it round in
No,
there.
that's all right. Come all the way back. Is that enough? Have you got enough room?
You're not funny.
So I got the tuna mayonnaise. What do you have?
I've got some cheesy chips with some smoked bacon on the top.
How comes I didn't get them chips last night?
You did get them chips
No, I
last
didn't
night.
get these ones. They weren't French fries. They was the thicker ones.
Oh,
Can I have a chip? Is that right?
you've already digged in.
Look, what finally arrived. My roll. Right, I put that there. So first, wait, before I take off, do you want me to tell you what this bike is?
I know what it is now.
What do you know what it is?
Yeah,
What?
it's V2.
Yeah, V2, but what?
Panigale.
Yeah, but what?
FE.
Yeah, so what's that? FE.
Final edition.
So this is a Superquadro Final Edition. The last one of the bigger brake horsepower V2s. So they make the new V2, don't they? Have you seen that yet? Looks really good.
I'm only in the picture.
Yeah, so this is the last one. What was they? 155 brake horsepower, these ones. The new one's going to be 120 brake horsepower.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. But lighter. So it's a bit of a shame with a V2 going, this one going, because it has been a good bike, that V2, isn't it?
V2's been very good.
Obviously red's a popular Ducati colour. I did like the white V2 with the little bits of red around the lights and stuff. Do you remember that? The Bayliss one, that's really nice with the O-rings. So I think it's got a few bits on it. I think it's got O-rings on it. It's got a few carbon bits on it. Do you want to guess the price?
You know what I'm like at guessing the
Right,
price?
I'll tell you how many do you reckon of these are in the world?
500.
555. Why that number? I haven't looked it up, so I don't know.
What's the price of a normal one?
I'm guessing they was about 17 grand, weren't they? 16 something. But wait, the new Panigale is 15 grand. And they do an S version now as well. That's 17 grand. So what do you reckon this is going to be?
22.
That ain't a bad guess. 23 and a half.
Could have got it cheaper if you got it from me.
Oh, it's got a box of bits as well, has it?
Gosh, what?
You know what you should have done? You should have started up a strap company. Because how many of these straps do you
I
reckon?
feel like I still could.
What was that, your wallet? Are you in on the old Secret Santa, are you?
I am.
Don't tell me who you got.
I won't. Tell me who you've got and I'll tell you.
Why? I don't want to know who you've got.
No, it's not you.
Oh, right. You know the person you got to buy
what
for.
I'm going to get.
I know what I'm going to get the
And it's
person
not a
as well.
jokey thing.
Oh, mine's a jokey thing.
I could have got a real jokey thing, but I thought, do you know what? I'll be nice to this person.
And you're going to actually get him a real present. Andy, you've got Secret Santa, have you? I don't know who it
Secret Santa,
is.
yeah.
I don't know who it is. I don't know who his is. I don't know who yours is. But he said he's getting him a proper present.
No, it's only a tenner.
No, I
A
know
proper
what.
present for a tenner.
No, I've checked it out. It's what they would like. It's £10.
It's £10. Who, what, you got a squirrel problem? Have you? Where are they? In the roof?
In the
se-
roof, in the walls.
In the living room.
1800s wood timber framed house, so they're
That's the problem of living in a manor house.
555.
Yeah, 555 of them. What number's this?
284.
284.
Where'd you get that screwdriver? It's like something out of the 1920s, bro.
I was born in the wagon of a travelling show.
Was you?
And there's nothing to do with a song.
That's the old would be fault, look.
He's always touching you, isn't he?
He is.
He likes it.
It's inappropriate behaviour.
Inappropriate behaviour in the workplace, is it?
I'm going to complain.
Who's who?
No one will listen.
Right, let me get my roll. Let me eat that roll while
Eat
you...
the roll.
I'll place the camera so it's recording you. The only problem is you're so noisy. I could speed this bit up now and you'd be like really fast. Well, let's have a look at it then. Oh, it's got an underskirt. It's got a slip on it.
It's good.
I bet you had girlfriends who wore slips, didn't you? That ain't something they wear no more, is it?
No, it might be a special request.
Let's have a look.
Oh, look at that. You have something for Halloween, Andy.
Oh yeah, it's got the engine on there.
That's cool.
That is really nice, isn't it? I'm not sure about
Grey tent.
the grey. It looks like it's like they've just done the undercoat. Actually, the fairing's really nice. Is it on the same on the other side? It's like it's actually see-through. We had quite a few people want them, but they couldn't get hold of them. They sold out straight away.
Would have looked nice with a nice gold chain though.
Gold chain and a black sprocket. It's got the different footrest hangers on there as well.
Yeah, it's got the...
Spence, whose are these? Can I have one? What is it?
What you would have had in France, I would think.
Nice, didn't they?
Yeah.
Why is it so slow?
No weight on it.
Yeah. That's it.
What's in the white box then?
Not too high, won't reach the mirrors.
And V2 underneath.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, oh, look, it goes right through.
They must have spent all the money on the bottom and forgot the top.
Yeah, they run out of paint. Oh, it is a fancy box.
Tap it, unwrap it.
It's like a
What's it called?
Egyptian tomb, isn't it?
The Russian dolls.
It's a cover.
Oh, and that's a seat. That's got a seat.
It's a squirrel in here, Dave. It's a mirror blank.
Mirror blank.
Racetracky.
Under seat blank.
There's a touch bar.
That's a seat. This is all.
Some of these.
I'll pop you.
I'd love that.
Have a look in that one. That's a
This
box.
is great.
Oh.
Fancy fuel cap.
Oh yeah, fancy fuel cap. But he has got a little booklet thing here, certificate. Footrest hangers. We'll never get this shut again. Well, that's what you get in the box. How long have the squirrels been living there then?
Something like my missus, she hears things and I don't.
They usually do that,
Hears
women,
them
don't they?
talking.
They usually hear things that we don't. Yeah, that is really nice. That back seat, that black with the red and white. That's really nice, that is.
And the stickers on. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, that's nice, man. Look at that.
They make a nice looking bike, don't they, Ducati?
Yeah, so you get that carbon mud guard as well, carbon exhaust cover, carbon hugger, or hugger, as we like to say. What else you got?
Barons.
Big enough Allen key for that?
Sure, what we're going to do with it.
What do you reckon, Si?
Different, isn't it?
Shows what-
That's what old Sublime Designs has done on the side of my pressure.
Oh, right. I think that's probably about the best front of one of these they've done with a number 1 on it.
Bloke who did the tank was colourblind.
Liam, you want to come and look at the Superquadro final edition?
Where is it?
It's in here.
Oh, well, you don't even have to take the casings off to get
No.
to them now. Now you know where everything is.
You can just put a screwdriver straight through there.
Yeah.
You put the menu on the side of the bike. But what about the tank?
It almost looks rubbery.
Looks like when you gloss windows, you use like this colour undercoat if you're going to do them black.
Primer is what you're saying. Yeah. Look at that seat.
Yeah, seat's nice.
I
Don't
always like them. The little coloured bits in there.
Zoma
Yeah.
footrest hangers.
Carbon.
Well, they've got to give you something to buy.
What do you reckon, Paul?
Yeah, I like it, apart from the tank.
You don't like the tank?
I think it should be a gloss.
Or it could have been black with some red
I
and
think
white.
they
bits
could have
down
followed
it.
these lines through, maybe.
But then that's why you put the mirrors on and they design them, I guess.
Yeah. But it's no Kawasaki H2, is it, Paul?
It's not an early 70s H2 Kawasaki.
No, it's not.
No.
You know, I know which one I'd rather have.
I do.
This. I'd have this. I'd rather have this.
I'd have this.
Well, you've got one more mirror to put on.
What's the time now? Cool, 3:20. So what, you'd be done by, yeah, I would have been.
5 o'clock, do you reckon?
What, you putting your foot down here?
I'm really going to push for this.
Pull your stops down.
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate it, mate, thank you. Can I say one thing?
Oh, God.
The tank.
I hate it.
So he said if it is.
Let's see what it's like outside, shall we?
In the dark. Come on. Oh, it looks nice though, yeah. The grey actually looks better out here. Look. Doesn't it? Talking about the grey in your hair, not on the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look better, that grey out
Look
there.
how fast he looks. Let's see him in full race. Look at that.
He's so fast.
Look how fast he looks.
It doesn't look bad now. You know what? I'm starting to get used to it.
It's the last one of it.
That's a proper racing bike, isn't it?
Well, so there it is, the Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition. What a beautiful looking bike. I think the colour scheme is really nice, that red, white and black, and the little detailing of the engine on the side of it is looks really good. It's got the nice carbon on it, it's got the Olin suspension, the Hyside footrest hangers. It does look really good, but obviously there's one thing that's a little bit controversial for everyone here at the moment, and that's the grey tank. If they'd have just had a black tank with the red and white on it, I think that probably would have been real special. But yeah, only just a day in, I am getting used to the tank, and like outside in the light it did look better. I think it's just going to take a little bit of time to get used to, but it is a shame to see this model go. It's been such an awesome bike over the years. Anyone who's got one or ridden one will tell you they are fantastic to ride. So that's what's interesting about the new V2 that's coming. It is less power, 120 brake horsepower rather than 155 brake horsepower, but it is lighter. The next video that we do on a Panigale V2 will be the new model, probably riding it against this one to see what they are like back to back on the road. Sometimes what's on paper, you know, 120 brake horsepower, 155 brake horsepower, well, that don't always relate on the road, and sometimes they can be closer than you think. So yeah, probably out of all the bikes coming, the new Panigale V2 is the one that I'm most interested in riding. So yeah, can't wait for that. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
No. Well, I would have. What are you putting in there? I found it on the side. I don't know, I'm just washing my hands with it.
Oh God, is that the green stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, it's all in the cup now. No, that's what that taste is. You're not putting it in there, it's all down the side of the cup. That's slowly just, it's almost simmering, it's not boiling, is it?
Look at this weather.
It's freezing. We've got like a windy storm in wind today.
It's getting worse.
Is it?
By tonight.
Oh, what, by when we're going to that party?
8 o'clock.
Okay, you have to come pick me up. Why is there like cold air blowing in here?
It's winter.
Oh, gosh, I am cold. Might have to put my hat back on.
I think you should put the wig on.
Ah, well, that's really funny. And you know, I've done the bike show, and I've had a few times before, like walking down the street, people recognise me. On a plane, on holiday, someone messaged me on Instagram, was like, I see you on a plane,
Wow.
blah, blah, an airport.
You've been everywhere. You've not got a looky-likey, have you?
And you've been places and been recognised, didn't you?
Yeah, all the wrong
So,
places.
I was telling someone the other day, I was telling Dion about it, because he said, how did the bike show go? I said, to be honest, I didn't really get to see the bike show, because I was just talking to people all day. Going to the toilet, a couple of people stopped me and was
Well,
like,
that's normal though.
Yeah, well, yeah. Should we be sharing this cubicle? So Dion come in, he said, I've got something for you. You and Paul can wear.
Where?
Well, he said, maybe you and Paul can use it when you're out and about. Some sort of disguise.
Oh, I know what he's like. He bought some real...
Oh yeah, when we went to France, he bought us some... He bought us a black doll, didn't he? So he bought this, he said, this will help you when you go out and about. So let's have a look, see what it is. I don't know what this could be. What the hell is it? Let's see what this is.
Oh, excellent.
It's all fake moustaches.
That's brilliant.
Grey one, brown one. Look how many we've got. We can go out all the time. I'm going to put one on. So also, I got recognised in Tesco's.
What by the detective?
I don't think black really.
That really suits you.
Is that fitting properly?
Yeah. Yeah. I think you need a mirror.
Why? Is it wonky?
No.
No. Is it too low?
It's not straight.
My phone won't recognise me. So it works. I look like like one of the village people. Is that better?
What?
You know what I look like? Do you know Flash Gordon?
Oh,
I look
bad.
like Ming the Merciless.
You do. You look like Minge the Merciless.
Maybe I should have eyebrows as
You
well.
could go in, you look like Groucho Marx.
There's none for Cody here though, look. No ginger ones. No. He won't do it. Just because I've grown a beard. What phone you got? Nokia. So we've been given something. Fox's Classic Biscuit. Look at all of them. I really like that box.
You know what?
It's Victoria.
Well, this is very generous.
Yeah. It's just bought by feet. And chocolate creations, Victoria. Look at all of these.
Creations.
What one do you want? Quite itchy under your nose. I bet he's got these from China or something.
Genghis is here.
Do you want a biscuit?
Dave, look at that.
Don't
Those damaged.
I'm having one of these ones. I can't eat with this on. Anyone want to know what that is? I've hung my moustache up. I feel like just eating all these now for the rest of the day.
Oh, Ferrero Rocher.
Oh dear, do you know what? I think I saw a TV programme on chocolate.
Yeah.
And all the people who make it, the big battles like Mars were having with Cadbury and stuff over, what did they have, like Roses and Quality Street and Roses. And then, yeah, between Celebrations and Heroes, there was an English company that done something like Ferrero Rocher or something. But Ferrero Rocher, yeah, they done it, they just branded it like it was expensive, high level.
Well, it comes in a plastic box.
What if it came in a chest and it glowed? No, like lit up.
I'll
No,
tell
like,
you what, you should be in marketing. We can make
oh, I've done the lottery today.
Let's hope you do. I've been doing a radio program thing.
Oh, what? Where you pay?
Where you know, yeah, you enter.
Are you sure you enter in or you're being scammed? I know, a lot of older people get scammed this time of year. You just keep texting the geezer money.
Somebody's won my money.
Funny enough, it's me. Oh, I've got to send you another text now. Let's go. You take the biscuits, I'll take the moustaches.
Where are the biscuits? Where are they going to go?
Out the back with you, innit?
No room.
You got too many biscuits.
Look.
Got biscuits, look.
I've slipped me finger.
Have a biscuit.
You're not gentle, are you? I'm sorry. Come here.
You can either have a biscuit or you can have false moustaches and eyebrows and
Oh,
stuff.
false moustache and eyebrows, please.
What sort of moustache do you want?
I want that one.
I wouldn't like a 118 man one. Have you got one of them?
Yeah, that's the one.
The moustache was going up. Yeah, that's alright.
I'm in.
Oh,
I'm in.
me too. A little peculiar.
Perfect.
Mine's a bit pingy.
I love the feel of it. It's furry.
Why don't you grow one? Actually, Liam should have one. You know, you can't really grow a proper beard.
Oh, that's just rude.
Yeah, I got beard fluff in my mouth.
I'm just going to pull mine off.
Let's have a look.
You haven't got one to pull off.
Hola, senor.